Welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we shall prepare a famous snack recipe which is made with leftover bread slices and it is also loved by all age groups. It is cream cheese bread pockets. Let's see how to prepare this recipe. We shall start by preparing the stuffing. For the stuffing, in a mixing bowl, take 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of grated carrots, 2 tablespoons of fresh paneer, 2 tablespoons of bell peppers, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, salt to taste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, one-fourth teaspoon oregano, red chili flakes, 1/4 cup cream cheese. Now mix everything until all the ingredients are well combined. If you do not have cream cheese at home, you can substitute with mayonnaise, but this recipe goes best with cream cheese. Mix everything and keep it aside. I have here leftover bread slices. With the help of a sharp knife, I am going to remove the corners. With the help of a rolling pin, flatten the bread slice by gently pressing on it. I have here small bread slices, so these will turn into mini bread pockets. Now take the prepared stuffing. Place the stuffing on one side of the bread and then roll it to the other end. Now close it and seal the edges with the help of water or milk. Now press them tightly as shown in the video to seal them completely. Ensure to seal the bread pockets completely. Now deep fry them in the oil. And our cream cheese bread pockets are ready to serve with dip of your choice. Ensure to seal the bread pockets properly, otherwise the stuffing oozes out and pops up in the oil. These bread pockets can also be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Our cream cheese bread pockets are yummy and tasty, ready to serve. Do try and let us know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!